Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. As you know, because of lockdown, none of us have been able to drive or even do our theory test. So what we're going to do right now is give you short little video clips of how to pass your driving test and give you professional advice for free from your qualified driving instructor. That way you won't be rusty because of the lockdown, nor if you've been training with someone who's not qualified, you won't be given the wrong advice. So before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. The first mistake that could happen when you're learning to drive, or if you learn to drive with one of your family members, is maybe they haven't told you about the 6-point check. It's really important to learn and apply the 6-point check. So if you look at me right here, as I move off, I'm going to look over my left shoulder, left mirror, interior mirror ahead, right mirror, and over my right shoulder. I always say to my students, always double check before you move off. As you can see, another car might be approaching. We'll play that again, and let me just slow it down so you can see me in slow motion. Over your left shoulder, left mirror, inside mirror, ahead, right mirror, and then over your right blind spot. And as I said, always double check. You never know, things may change. It's quite common for a student to forget to check over their shoulders, so make sure you emphasize it. Look over your shoulders thoroughly. Again guys, as I said, we made it quite short. We've got loads more videos coming out about how to drive after lockdown. Do check out our site, our fmdrivingschool.co.uk. You can check out YouTube section or how to drive section, or even driving instructors and students for more free resources to help you pass your driving test. So let's just go into one section. Here you got top 10 tips of how to pass your driving test. So click into it, and then you got all these extra information that you can go through in order to help you pass your driving test.